Assalamu alaikum, my dear students of class 2. How are you? Hope all of you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to our online platform NIEVS Home School. This is Muhammad Abul Kalam, Assistant Teacher of English, National Ideal English Version School, Day Shift. Dear learners, today I am present before you with word meaning for the students of class 2 with the subject English Literature. So let's go to board to check what is our today's topic. So look here, word meaning A to J revision class. I repeat, our today's topic is word meaning A to J, that means 1 to 10 revision class. Dear learners, look here, this is our lecture number 15 and AW number 13 on our annual term syllabus. I repeat, this is our lecture number 15 and AW number 13 on our annual term syllabus. Dear learners of class 2, in my last class, I told you we have finished our syllabus of 100 marks. Inshallah, with today's class, we have started our revision class for our annual term syllabus. In our previous classes, we have learned 1 to 13 word meaning. In our today's class, inshallah, that means in our revision class, we will learn word meaning A to J, that means 1 to J. Dear learners, please give your maximum attention and look at both. Look at the first one. What is it? This one is whispering. This word meaning is taken from little twinkle twinkle little star. So look at the meaning whispering. Here whispering means speaking softly. Look, whispering means speaking softly. You have already known this. We are also learning in our revision class. Now B number, it is staring. What is it? It is staring, looking at something with eyes wide open. Look, staring means looking at something with eyes wide open. Dear learners, in these connections I want to show you a picture. So look at the picture. This picture looks fantastic and it is, okay, look, it is seen from a far distance. Okay, here we see the boy is staring at something with eyes wide open. That means he is staring at something. Now C number, look, what is it? C number is telescope. Telescope, an instrument used to look at stars because it makes them appear closer and larger. Dear learners of class 2, in these connections I want to show you a picture so that attention grows among you. So look at a picture of a telescope. So look at a picture of a telescope, and it is used to look at the stars because it makes them appear closer and larger. The picture looks fantastic and very much fabulous. Now number D, it is barrel. What is it? It is barrel, a container made of wood or metal used for storing liquids. I repeat, barrel means a container made of wood or metal used for storing liquids. So we will go to picture to look at another picture. So look here, look at both. So look, here we see a barrel. So look at a heavy barrel on the shoulder of a man. So look at a picture of a barrel. It looks also good. Picture of a barrel. Barrel means a container made of wood or metal used for storing liquids. Now number E, this one is valley. E number is valley. Valley means a low land between hills. I repeat, valley means a low land between hills. F number is amazed. What is it? It is amazed. Amazed means very surprised. Amazed means very surprised. Okay. Now G number is pebbles. G number is pebbles. Pebbles means small smooth stones. I repeat, pebbles. Pebbles mean small smooth stones. Now we will go to next page. So look here, it is S number. S number is flashy. What is it? It is flashy. Here, thick and soft drink. That means the coconut, the chapter coconut, we have taken the word flashy, the soft and thick part of a coconut. I number is trembling. So look here, trembling. This word meaning is taken from the story Lion and the Mouse. Trembling, shaking slightly because he is afraid. So look, shaking slightly because he is afraid. Here we see the mouse becomes afraid, or he was trembling in fear. Trembling, shaking slightly because he is afraid. That means the mouse becomes afraid. Last word meaning, J number, it is hunters. What is it? Hunters, people who chase and killed wild animals. I repeat, hunters means people who chase and killed wild animals. Dear learners, look here. So today we have learned topic word meaning A to J revision class in our, and it is lecture number 15 and SW number 13. What is the SW number? This is our SW number 13. So look at the end of our board. Here also written SW number 13. You will write at the top page of your SW number 13. Then word meaning. So look, word meaning A to E, that means 1 to 5. So look at both. This 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This 5 will be your SW. I repeat, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or A to E. This 5 will be your SW. Very easy SW. Dear learners, I hope that all of you have understood this important and revision class, and keep practicing at home and do your SW at home. Finally, abide by your parents' advice. See you again, inshallah. Assalamu alaikum.